Can you tell me what's inside this box? Didn't we unbox a phone in the previous video? This is the cover of that phone. If we bought this phone and talked about it, we bought this phone from a store. It is priced at Rs 42,000. We were able to purchase this phone at EMI. If you have not seen this video, its link is provided in the description. You can watch the video by clicking on this link. This is the cover provided with the phone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends. This is also a good cover. This is also a good cover. A cover of good thickness. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends. Which of these phone cover did you like? You write in the comment box.
I'm a fool for your love.